Imagine having the power to take a single photo and bring it to life. Recent advances in artificial intelligence have made this a reality. Through the magic of AI, a static image can now be transformed into a dynamic video simply by uploading a photo. Complex neural networks can analyze every minute detail, from facial expressions to body posture. They can apply subtle movements and animations frame by frame, making whoever or whatever is in the photo seem lifelike and in motion. Hair and clothing are given realism by being blown gently by the wind. Eyes appear to blink, and natural smiles and expressions evolve, all within seconds. If you have an image, keep it for the next stage, which is image-to-video conversion. But don't worry if you don't have any existing images. I'll teach you how to create an image using AI with the text-to-image feature. Nowadays, many AI platforms like Leonardo, Midjourney, Freepik, and Stylar offer the text-to-image feature. I'm choosing Stylar for this demonstration. Create an account and log in by clicking the Start for Free button in the top right menu on the Stylar website. Then click on New Project. Next, click here and select the image ratio. I'm selecting the 16:9 ratio. You can also set a project name here. Then click the Apply button. On the left side, you'll see the text-to-image feature. Click here. There's a text box where you can write your prompt. In the advanced settings, you can add a negative prompt, something you don't want in your image. I already have a prompt prepared, so I'll paste it into the text box. In the next step, we need to choose a style for the image. Here, you'll find many styles. You can select any of these styles as per your wish. I'm selecting the realistic style for my image. Now, click the Stylarize button. After a short while, new images are generated based on the prompt and the style you chose. 4 pictures are displayed here. Hovering over these pictures allows you to preview the images in larger sizes. To choose a picture, click on it, then click the Place on Canvas button. Then it will be added to the project workspace. In the top right corner, you can see the Export button. From here, you need to download the images. I need to make some more images. For that, I'm generating the picture again. Now, select the picture and follow the same steps to download the picture. In our free account, Stylar provides us with 200 free tokens weekly that we can use to create new images. I just generated these pictures for my video. You can also change the style. I only generated images in the realistic style. Next, we need to animate the image. To do this, I'll introduce you to an exceptional new and powerful AI called Haper. First, enter this website. The link is provided in the description box. At the time of this tutorial's release, this AI is free and has no limitations. Now, simply create a free account and log in by clicking the Try for Free button. In my previous video, I showed you how to make videos using the text-to-video feature in Haiper AI. You can check out that video as well. For this video, I'm using the Animate Image feature. To do that, click on the Animate Your Image option. A new box with an Upload Image icon will appear at the bottom of the page. Now, simply click here and upload your picture. I uploaded this one. To animate this image, we can fully express our ideas in the prompt section. For example, I want the characters in the image to smile, nod their head, and have an excited expression. To do this, I'll input words that correspond to these actions into the text box. Next, click on the settings icon next to the Create button. In the duration section, I choose 4 seconds as the video length. By clicking on the eye icon and toggling the Create in Public option, I can control the accessibility of the video. Then, click on the Create button. After a short while, the image will be animated according to your settings. I'll play it back to see the animation. Sometimes the image-to-video conversion results may not be ideal. But don't get discouraged. Keep repeating the process. At the bottom of the video, there's a download icon for obtaining the video file for free. At the top of the video, there's a regenerate option that allows you to repeat the animation process based on the same prompt and previous settings. Now let's try with another image. Click here and select the Animate Your Image option. Then upload your source picture. I uploaded this one this time. I'm using the same prompt I used in the previous video. Now, click the Create button. Here's the result. You can see how easy it is to animate any of your images. I am giving you some additional tips to keep in mind. Use high-quality images with proper resolution. Provide complete and accurate details in your prompt text. The more information you give the AI in the prompt, the better it will understand your vision and convert the image into a video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share this video with your friends and family.